Welcome to Bhagaskara Labs. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to restore an EC2 instance using AWS Backup while keeping the same private IP address, perfect for maintaining static connections or specific firewall rules. In my case, the EC2 instance's IP is 172.31.41.188. Let's back up your EC2 instance on demand with a one-day retention period. Go to the AWS Backup service. On the left-hand menu, click Backup Plans, then select Create On-Demand Backup. For resource type, choose EC2. From the list, pick the EC2 instance you want to back up. Now, set the retention period to 1 day. That means AWS will automatically delete the backup after 24 hours. Once you're done, click Create On-Demand Backup. AWS will start the backup process immediately. You can monitor the progress by going to the Jobs section. Wait until the status shows Completed. You've backed up your EC2 instance using AWS Backup. The backup created an AMI, now visible in the EC2 AMI dashboard. You have the following ready: instance type, subnet ID, desired private IP, and your security group ID. Also, be sure the original instance is terminated. This frees up the IP address. To launch the restored instance, open AWS CloudShell and run the AWS EC2 Run Instances command. You'll assign the same private IP manually and use the AMI generated from your backup. Here's the command template you'll need. Replace each placeholder with your specific values. And that's it. You've just restored your EC2 instance with its original private IP using AWS Backup and the built-in AWS CloudShell. If this video helped you, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, only on Bhagaskara Labs. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.